One evening, Anil comes home with a small bundle of notes. He tells Hari that a publisher had bought his book. At night, Hari sees him tuck the money under the mattress. The thief then starts thinking that he has been working for Anil for most a month but has not yet stolen anything. He realizes that Anil's trusting nature has stopped him from doing so. He feels that it is easy to rob a greedy man but difficult to rob a careless one because he could not even notice that he has not been robbed. He has been robbed. This takes away the entire pleasure of robbing. So what happens one evening? Anil comes home with a very big, you can say, bag of notes, and he tells Hari that he has got a job, that he is going to publish a book. So at night, Hari sees that means Anil has kept money under his mattress. So the thief, he starts thinking that means for the last 1 month I had not stolen anything. The reason is that because Anil was having a trusting nature, so that's why he had not stolen. Now he feels that it is very easy to rob a greedy man, but a person who is careless one, who don't even notice that my something is stolen or not, that is not something giving very happiness to a thief. So he thinks that it is not going to give me happiness if I steal at his house. Hari finally decides to steal the money and justifies his decision by telling himself that if he does not steal it, Anil would waste it. Now Hari decides that today I am going to steal the money, and he is telling it out that if I am not going to steal, ultimately this man Anil is going to waste it out, because already on the top we have earlier talked it out in the video. That means when Anil get most great money, then he used to waste it out. At night, while Anil enjoys a sound sleep, Hari Singh weighs the entire situation again and finally decides to take the money and leave the town by 10:30 Lucknow Express. Now, what happens at night? Anil, he was sleeping, and Hari Singh, he means maintains all the situation, and he decides to take the money and he leave the town by the 10:30 Lucknow Express. After carefully taking out the notes hidden under the mattress, Hari leaves the room. And after taking the money and the notes over from there, now Hari Singh leaves the room. He tucks the notes in the pajama string and counts them later to find that they are 600 rupees in the domination of 50. Now what happened? He takes the money over from there and he tie it to his pajama string, and he counts it out later on that these were 600 rupees and those notes were in 50 rupees notes. He feels that with so much money he could live like a rich arv for almost a week. Now he feels that with this much money he is going to be very happy and he is going to live with like a rich person. When Hari Singh reaches the railway station, he dashes to the platform without bothering to buy any ticket, for he does not believe in buying the tickets. When he reaches the railway station, now he was very much worried that what kind of the ticket, where should I go, because he does not believe that buying tickets is good thing. He sees that train for Lucknow has just started moving. Now he see that Lucknow train has been left, but for some unexplainable reason he hesitates and does not board it. Now he was having a reason that he could not explain it, that why I have not taken that train, and ultimately he leaves, he let that train go and the train moves out. After the train leaves, he whiles away some time on the deserted platform. Now the train has already gone, so he just kept on sitting over there only on the platform. He has no idea where to go. He thinks that prolonging his stay would raise suspicion and staying in the nearby hotel too would be risky. Now he was not having any idea that where should I go, and now he started thinking it out that if he is going to stay over there for a long time, it would create a suspicion in the mind of the people. They would be thinking that who is this, why he is sitting over here, and if he go in the nearby hotel, that is also going to be a risky kind of job. Anyone could find him over there. He has no friends because in his profession friends could be more of the trouble. Now he was not having any friend also because he think that if he is going to make friends in his career, then they would be also trouble for him. Anil, the man he has just robbed, is the only person he knows in the town. In the town, he was knowing only one person, that was Anil. So he leaves the station and walks slowly through the bazaar. Now he leaves the station and started moving towards the bazaar. While walking, he contemplates that he can study human faces and tells that a greedy man is full of fear on being robbed. A rich man gets angry and poor man shows resignation. Now when he was walking, now he started talking to himself that he can study the mind of the people, that when a greedy man is being robbed, he is having a fear, that means so much of the money of mine has been stolen, anyone could kill me, because such kind of thing is there. And a rich man, he gets angry that why my money is being stolen, and poor man, he shows resignation, he don't have anything to say it out. However, he realizes that on finding the theft, Anil would feel sad. Now he thinks it out that when Anil will come to know that my money is stolen, he will be very sad, not because he has suffered a loss, but because breach of the trust. The reason is, he will not be sad because his money had been stolen, but he will be sad that I trusted this person and he had not kept my trust.